Hey guys, welcome back to Sprague Homestead. So, we said one of the things we wanted to do this year was do some collaborations. So, Jim's In Town Gardening challenged us to come up with 5 reasons that we come to YouTube. So, if you haven't seen Jim's video of the challenge, I will put a link up at the top just so you can go watch it and see what he asked us to do. So, Jim, this is for you and this is your challenge. We accept. So, the first reason we go to YouTube is
to watch movie previews. Seriously, that really is my probably biggest reason to go to YouTube. Generally speaking, we don't have TV. If you've seen our videos, you know, we kind of temporarily have some cable service, satellite service at the moment, but generally we don't have any. And if you watched our top 10 video, you probably know that I am a huge superhero nerd, and this is a fine time to be a superhero sci-fi type nerd if you like to go to the movies on occasion, and we do. That's kind of our little treat. So, yeah, where's a girl to go to see, you know, previews of Aquaman and some of these movies? So that is what I hit YouTube for. That's like my big thing. There's a couple of good channels that put out a lot of previews, and I like to catch up with them there.
All right, so the second reason we go to YouTube is that's a drum roll.
Oh, I thought you were just filling yourself up or something weird. For me, I go on there to honestly check stats and see how our channel's doing and answer your questions. So that's what I'm doing on there, and man, I hope I do a good job. Sometimes I miss him; he catches them on the back end, but that's pretty much my whole thing right there on YouTube. So I guess you've got number 3.
Number 3, the reason I go to YouTube beyond the content, right? Because we share that kind of stuff. The reason I go there is for information. So I have watched plenty of videos on how to do stuff. You know, I love to work on cars and fix things, and sometimes I don't have the answer. So I go to YouTube to find that answer. A lot of times it is there in a video that I can look up and be like, ah, I get it. I can go do that now. I'm a very visual learner, and YouTube is fantastic for me because I can watch it and then go do it.
All right, so that's our 3rd. How about 4? What do you got?
Well, I'll tell you, some days that she goes to watch movie previews or movie trailers, I go to watch entertainment. I do watch other creators and that do teach, and then a lot of them do stuff that I guess I would want to do. I watch a couple guys that are really good at fabrication, and I watch them to learn and be entertained, because sometimes they are kind of funny to me.
I'll also admit I watch some stupid stuff on occasion.
No cat videos. We just go outside.
No.
We just go outside for those.
There's that Songify channel that like sings the news and stuff on occasion. That's pretty funny.
All right, that's awesome.
So number 5.
Number 5, I will say, and this is one selected to me, is to meet other people, meet other creators. So 2 years ago, I used YouTube to find local creators to me to do collaborations with. So I did that, did some research, got a breakfast together for a lot of people that were in the area that had channels, and we got together, had breakfast, and chatted. So
nothing really came of it, but you did.
No, but I met some local people. Just never had really a good cross section of, or I guess a good subject matter that really worked well together. So that's it. That is 5 reasons we go to YouTube. So Jim, challenge accepted, and we nailed it.
Okay, well, we answered your challenge, Jim, anyway, so thanks for thinking of us. And that's it for today from Sprague Homestead.
Happy homesteading.